Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Artman, and I want to just take a few minutes as we are about 2 weeks from when your Pinterest project is due. I want to talk, you can see on the screen about the rubric, about the assignment description, just a couple of reminders. I know a handful of people have already submitted theirs, and that is great. I, of course, gave the blessing to work ahead in this class if you know you have different things coming up. I will say, if after watching this video, if you want to make some changes, by all means, I'm not going to grade anything until I think it's due on the 21st. I'll grade everything on the 22nd. So if you do decide to make changes, I will do that. And you see, it's a very straightforward assignment. You can create a discipline-specific online pin board that be used with your overall project. It doesn't have to be a Pinterest board itself, but similar development presentation. So if you decide that you just don't like Pinterest, but you want to, do your own thing, that is totally fine. It just has to, if that's the Pinterest is a guide. Then obviously this is important. You should build off and enhance your web quest project. So you want to view this as the next step. Obviously, there can be part of your Pinterest project that reviews what came out in the web quest, but you're not just doing the exact same information, the exact same skills. Is not just doing the exact same thing in a different way. Yes, there's going to be some overlap, but you are taking, again, the next step. So yes, you have some review. Yes, you have some similar content, but you're taking the students to the next as far as what they create, what they do, what they learn. Obviously, as educators, you know that. Of course, I should have said this first. The big thing I want to make sure you understand, I know as practicing teachers, adults, you give this advice all the time to your students, to your own children, etc. Please don't wait till the last minute. I know I've been working with adult students for the last few years. I sometimes do find myself getting those bad habits of, we wait till the night before it's due and there's issues. So please, if you have any questions, if you have any concerns, you have any issues, don't wait till the night before to ask questions. I know this is a 10-point assignment, but that's still 10% of your grade for the class. It's not a lot of points in this class. So please make sure that you do that. Some things you want to think about if you do not use Pinterest itself, and I did mention this in a few emails, so this may be repeat information for some people. Think about, what is it about Pinterest that makes it very popular? What is it that makes it so user-friendly? Why do a lot of teachers like to use it? It's the collaborative aspect. It's the ease of use, the visual aspects. If you want to watch some YouTube videos about Pinterest tutorials before you do your own, if you want to read about why is Pinterest so popular, that might help guide your process. It might help you decide, well, what do you want to put there? Definitely what I would like to see is a highly interactive, lots of different places for the students to go where you cover lots of different aspects. If you want to find a way to have kind of an assessment aspect in there where they click some different things and it gives a chance to create something of their own. So if you want to to where they use your Pinterest project to make their own Pinterest to show their understanding, just a thought, that's one way you could go about it. How you do that, that's you're the instructor, but just some ideas of where you want to go. But let's talk about the real quick. Of course, mechanical just means everything works. There's no broken links. There's no issues. Obviously, link covers the content area. The links are numerous, very good, and cover all major aspects of the topic. So obviously, if you're doing second grade math, everything's second grade math. Provides a thorough understanding of the topic. I apologize, I see a typo here, and that's my fault. I should say understanding, not understand. My apologies there. This is comprehensive. They're in line to learn about the topic. So again, if you're doing ninth grade biology, I shouldn't see physics links. Everything needs to make sense. And it should take another level, not just surface stuff. Comment the web quest, right? We're just taking, I kind of talked about this already. Go to the next level. And relevance and quantity of the resources. Again, everything that you put up there is quality and quantity. So obviously I'm not just seeing one or two things. I'm seeing a rich, full Pinterest board. So if you're worried about this, that's where those tutorials, just spending a couple, an hour, 2 hours, not that much time in Pinterest, looking around. You look at the things that are, how would I say this, of interest to you in your personal life. You can do professional too. If you're a big Boston Terrier fan, I don't know, I'm just making this up. Go in there and you'll see Pinterest things about Boston Terriers and links to blogs and different things. If you're a big artsy craftsy person, that's where Pinterest really makes their big splash. Look at those things. See what appeals to you and use that to make your Pinterest board so that you can get the relevance and quantity aspect. That's all I really want to say. I want to keep this video short, it's about 5 minutes. I hope that helps, and please, as always, start emailing me with questions, concerns, and I will do everything in my power to help you out, and I look forward to seeing what you guys create in just about 2 weeks. Thank you very much. Have a great day, and I will see you online.